Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I'm actually really excited because it has been so long. I could not tell you the last time I did a video like this, but we are doing Battle of the Boxes. We're going to be battling my Boxycharm PR box versus my Ipsy PR box. So you guys want to see who had the better subscription box this month? Well, then definitely keep watching. I did that one take without messing up. Typically I always mess up and I didn't, so I'm very happy with that. So before I dive into today's video, I just want to give you guys some quick updates. If you guys have not seen, I recently started live streaming The Last of Us Part 1 on my YouTube channel, or on this channel, and I streamed last night for the first time and it was incredible. I streamed for 3 hours. I'm streaming again tonight as well. It'd be Last of Us Part 1, like Part 2, where we're going to continue the story because my goal is to have the game finished before the HBO TV show comes out on January 15th on HBO Max. It is my absolute favorite game in the entire world, and I just really want to share it with you guys. And actually, while I live streamed last night, I kind of give you guys an update on Jace. So many of you guys have been asking me how my cat is doing. So he had its appointment yesterday, and pretty much we're at this point that he's not there yet. But we have to now pretty much go every 2 weeks to get him checked up because he's on 2 different type of medications to let him not throw up and to actually have an appetite. And it's just really sad. Like, we're hoping to wean him off of one medication. It's like this liquid steroid that you put in his mouth morning and night, and it really helps him try to eat food. Like, we were hoping in 2 weeks we can kind of decrease that. But because of his condition, if he continues to get sick on it, like, there's only so much that we can do. So unfortunately, we did have to have that conversation with the vet yesterday. The vet said after this point, we're going to keep monitoring him, but there's really nothing more we can do except giving him a great quality of life. So he will let us know when that time has come. But he did warn us, like, this is only going to last for so long. So it was very hard to hear. I had a very difficult time having that conversation, and like, stupid. I don't talk about it too much because it just really makes me upset because I've had him for 13 years. He's my baby, and the biggest thing for me is I just don't want to see him suffering. And right now he's not, because of his medication is allowing him to have a good quality of life. It's allowing him to not be nauseous, not throw up. It's allowing him to keep his food down and to actually enjoy food and one food. So it's just been a very long process trying to like figure out what it is, and unfortunately just where he is with his age wise, there's really nothing more we can do besides giving him a great quality of life. So that's all we're doing right now, but I will keep you guys up to date. But right now the treatment plan is we go every 2 weeks to kind of check up on him to see if we can lower his dosage, or do we have to keep on the same dosage, or do we have to unfortunately take that next step. So that's just kind of where we are. And I know you guys have been asking me, I just haven't really talked about it because it just makes me like really emotional when I do talk about it, because it just like really upsets me. But I will always keep you guys up to date. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions about my Macari and whatnot. Yes, I'm going to sell my makeup. I want you guys to know that I have so much. I literally have so much makeup, and it's quite impossible to sell every single individual item because shipping cost, shipping supplies, everything really, really adds up, and some of these items are not actually worth it. So what I'm doing instead is I'm just curating tons of mystery boxes. Like, I'm just curating a ton of mystery boxes where there's going to be so many items in every single mystery box. I think 25 items each in the mystery boxes, which I will be having going live this weekend. I have to sit here and write down the description, take the photos and whatnot. That's the only thing that's just taking me a minute because my week has been so packed with appointments and stuff like that. So it's why it's just taking me a minute. But I'm going to be doing mystery boxes, and I will be selling some things individually. I probably will have a Jeffree Star mystery box because I have quite a few mirrors from him. I might sell the mirrors individually, but I also have like lip sets that I've never used from him as well that I want to put in there. So I'm just going to have like some things are going to be sold individually depending on the palette and or the product, but the rest is going to be curated into just massive mystery boxes where you're going to get like over 25 items each just to make it kind of worth the value. So as soon as those goes live, I will definitely let you guys know. But that's kind of like the update right here. That's kind of like the update I have going on right now. So with that said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and dive straight on in. Now, these are both gifted to me in PR. Both are by the same companies, but it's just, it's really sad because I used to really love Boxycharm. I used to really love Ipsy, but they've, in my opinion, have gone downhill. They're still super sweet to send this to me in PR, but just because I get something in PR does not mean I'm not going to be honest with you guys. If I like it, that's amazing, but if I don't, that's okay too. I always put the items that I don't like in giveaways for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and start off with Ipsy. I believe this actually, we're going to start with Ipsy. This should have my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I honestly don't really know the prices on these anymore because they keep upping their prices and they're not really upping the value of the box, but I still do appreciate it. So let me go ahead and dive right into this one. I think the Glam Bag is $13 and I think the Glam Bag Plus is like $27.99. But the only unfortunate thing when it comes to Ipsy is that they don't separate their stuff in this box. They just throw everything in together and they're like, you figure it out. So it's a little bit more difficult for me. All right. See, everything's just kind of thrown right in here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just start to open up this bag and first. Oh my God, it's like, what's that? What's that character from McDonald's? Not the Hamburglar, but like the other eggplant. Like that's what this reminds me of, is like that thing, creature. I don't know what it is. An eggplant? Okay, so the first one we have in here, this is called Little Liquid Liner. This is from Wing Me. I think that's really cute. Nice little mini. You guys know that I really don't do wing liners, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in aside for you guys. This also includes the Tarte C. This is a lip tint and balm. That's actually really cool. I really like the fact that this is in here. I think this is a full-size product. It's in the shade Villa. Oh, definitely a full size. Okay, definitely a full size, a really, really gorgeous color. Love that. Next, this includes the Gold Faden MD Solution Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. They always put this in here. It's always in this bag. There's also a little Ather Beauty. This is the Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain. I hate this brand's name, Ather. Am I saying that right? Ather. I feel like I have a lisp when I say Ather. Ather? Ather. I feel like I have a freaking lisp when I say that. And then last thing that they have in here, this is from Dew of the Gods. This is a Celiquine plus Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. This brand, I still won't forget what this brand did to me. I won't forget what you did. But that's actually really nice, really cool. So I think that's everything that's actually supposed to be in the $13 bag. Nice little mini sizes with one full size in there. So definitely not a bad bag. Definitely not a bad bag at all for it being $13. Definitely not bad. All right, so moving on to the next box. The first thing we have in here, this is like really freaking dirty. Ugh. This is from a Beauty Vault. I don't know how well it's capturing on camera, but this thing is like scratched up. It has tons of freaking hair on it, and it just looks like dirty. So this is a mascara. It is sealed. I think I'm gonna leave it sealed. Kind of turned off, but it's from something Beauty Vault. So there we have a mascara. Next, we have Hey Honey. This is Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovering Mask. Restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by the environmental factors. Oh, that's actually really cool. I've heard of Hey Honey before, actually, because of this brand. So nice little restorative mask for you guys as well. Next, we got something from Earth Harbor. This is Oasis. This is a deep pore gel cleanser. What? This is the first one I got something from Earth Harbor that I've actually really been excited about. Okay, so this is a deep pore gel cleanser. So it says a lush refuge for skin relief. This low foaming oil-free gel cleanser is infused with verdant, purifying botanicals to deeply cleanse pores and replenish glow. Ooh, why is it sticky?
That's what she said.
Michael. It's like sticky. I don't think this should shut all the way. I don't think it's shut all the way. Like, once it closed all the way, the product is leaking. It's on my hands. Yay! All right, next we have something from Murad. This is Hydration. This is a Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. I actually really do love Murad. I actually got my eye cream that I've officially finished because of this brand. No way this is part of the $27.99. This thing is itty bitty. No way this is part of this. Okay, so this must be part of like the $13 bag. I can't foresee this actually being part of the 27 one. But, okay. Not bad. I really do like Murad, so not bad. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God, I've had that happen forever. All right, last but not least, we do actually have a Winky Lux. This is a Latin kitten palette. I actually really do love Winky Lux. I have quite a few of their products courtesy of Winky Lux. They're so sweet. So this is the Latin kitten palette, and it's a beautiful little everyday neutral palette. I really do love the soft, cool tones of this. Everyday neutral, very, very beautiful. So that seems to be everything that we got in this box, minus the little ho sack right here. This sack actually comes in handy because I like to put all the little minis in here and put them in my No Waste Wednesday box for you guys. So I actually do think it does come in handy. So overall, I would say probably the only good thing that was in this particular box was this palette. And you can actually find this palette at Target and whatnot. It is like a drugstore price if I'm correct, or like kind of like a medium right there price. Really like really great brand. If I paid the full price for this, I would be like, cool, like I paid for skincare. And there's nothing wrong with getting skincare, but for me, I like to have a 3-to-2 ratio. I would want to pay for these boxes to get the makeup, you know, to get makeup that I generally wouldn't get. And I wouldn't want to necessarily get a lot of skincare because you can only do so much, especially because I have a lot of skincare. So I'm definitely not that fond of this month's box, but it's also not the worst either. It's just definitely not my favorite. So that is what we got in this month's Ipsy. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up Boxycharm, see what we got. Hopefully it's a good one. Boxycharm is really hit and miss. Sometimes they're really good and sometimes they're not. Now, I think Boxycharm also retails for like $27.99, but like after shipping and handling, I think you're spending like $30 to get 5 full-size items. So sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not though. So this month is called So Fresh and So Clean. So the first thing we got in here, oh my God, they might as well just merge. These boxes might as well just merge to be one freaking company. So we have Earth Harbor, and this is called Nebula. This is an Adoption Clarity Ampoule. What is with these weird names? Okay, so this is the answer to finding peaceful energy and light within your skin. Both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glowing enhancing elixir. This ampoule is feather light flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help de-stress skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excessive oil. Retails for $46. You know what's crazy is I've never seen this brand anywhere except in these boxes. I'm sure they're fantastic. I've just never seen it anywhere. So I wouldn't even know where to shop this if I wanted to. But yeah, it's just crazy because like they're both the same brand. So it's like, why not just merge your boxes? So we have that. Next, we got something from True and Luscious. This is infused with rose extract. This is Angel Eyes. This is an eyeshadow primer base. So it says that this is a hydrating eye primer that locks in your eyeshadow and concealer for crease proof, no smudge wear for up to 16 hours. Retails for $22. So we have this right here. I've only seen this brand one other time, and it's like a highlighter palette they put in this box. Cute little packaging though. I will say, definitely cute packaging. Next we got something from Persona. This is an e-balm. So it says that this is a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel-good comfort anytime, anywhere. Retails for $22. That's actually a really pretty color. It's called Manifest. Yes, I do love manifesting. Does it always work? No, but I will try it every day. Ooh, looks like that. Really nice. I bet you it's like more sheer than colored, but that looks really, really, really pretty. I kind of want to swatch that. Oh, nope. She has pigment. She has pigment. Did not expect that. Surprisingly enough, did not expect that. And it doesn't really have a smell. That's actually not bad. Next, we have something from Shanna B. This is Rosa. This is a cream blush. So it says this is an ultra velvety cream blush. Gives you a natural looking flush. Its long lasting formula applies easily and blends quickly for a seamless finish. Retails for $18, and this is a new brand to Boxy. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Looks like that. It's actually a really, really pretty color. It's just unfortunate for me. I don't really do much with cream blushes. So we're going to go ahead and pass that along, but it's actually a really pretty color. Like, I won't lie. That's super pretty. All right, and last but not least, we have something from Wander Beauty. This is called the Sweet Escape. So it says that send yourself on a sweet escape with a perfectly curated collection of mattes and shimmering neutrals, bold shades that take you effortlessly from day to play. Wherever you wander retails for $42, and this is an exclusive drop to Boxy. So let's go ahead and open her up. I actually really do enjoy Wonder Beauty. I think it's a really great brand. I feel like a lot of people don't really talk about them. And one of my favorite mascaras was from Wonder Beauty. The Mile High Club, so good. Oh my God. This is actually stunning. Wow, do you guys see that? That is actually really pretty. I actually really want to swatch this shade. And this shade is like calling out to me the most. Those are really, really pretty. Wow, that's actually a really pretty palette from Wonder Beauty. And then we have Sweet Dreams. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. That is actually really pretty. Wow. That's actually a really pretty palette. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting something to be like something like this. This is actually really, really pretty. That is really pretty. I'm going to say that 500 more times because I was not expecting that. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, so let me go ahead and add up the value of this box. All right, so the total value of this box is $150. I will say that if I paid for this box, I would generally be a little bit happy because of this palette and this palette only. If this palette wasn't in there, I would be like, definitely not worth like the $30 that I spent on this box. But this palette alone definitely makes it worth it for me because I think it's absolutely a beautiful palette. I'm really excited to play with this. So this is like a saving grace for Boxycharm is this particular palette. So looking at the two boxes, I think it's safe to say that this month's winner is Boxycharm. But I'm going to be still straight with you guys. At the end of the day, this may have won this month's, battle of the boxes, but I just wish that they would start to put more name brands in these boxes. I say this every time, and I feel like I'm annoying that I keep saying it, but I really miss the old Ipsy. I really miss the old Boxycharm. We used to see like Natasha Denona, Huda Beauty, Patrick Ta. Like you used to see like name brands in here, and I miss seeing those brands in here. It used to make these boxes so exciting, and I feel like since they merged with Ipsy, it's just definitely gone downhill. They do have some hits, and they do have quite a few misses. So I'm very grateful that I no longer pay for it. And I'm very grateful that I do get this in PR because it allows me to get back to you guys. But I will say, overall, I didn't hate the Boxycharm box. I will say overall, I didn't really hate these boxes this month, but I can safely say they were definitely not exciting either. The only exciting thing was the Wonder Beauty palette. Everything else, I'm kind of like, eh. Besides like the Winky Lux palette. Like other than that, I'm just kind of like, eh. That's how I feel. So let me know what you guys think about these boxes down below. Do you guys still even get them? Like, I genuinely want to know if you guys still get them. Did you guys get the same items? Like, what are your thoughts? So with that said, guys, that is it for today's video. Don't forget that I will be live streaming tonight, The Last of Us Part 2. I'm hoping to go live by 5:30. We shall see, but I'm going to be streaming it Part 2. Come out, come hang out with me. Come say hi. I just really love seeing your faces. It's cool to just sit there and talk to you guys. It's amazing. And I really hope you guys love the game. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's After Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful Patreon members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So, well, with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video. Bye! Now, how the hell do you open this? This month's... So looking at the two boxes,